Hi everyone, it's Naomi here from Art Tips with Naomi. Thanks for joining me today, and here I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I've learned over my 40 years working as a professional artist. I hope you're having a good day, so stay with me and see what we're going to do. Have you ever wondered, when you've got a painting that maybe you don't like anymore and you want to go over it and do something different, but you just don't know what to do? So today I'm going to show you, by using a technique called pouring and a few other ideas, how I'm going to take this painting that you're currently looking at and change it into something new. So stay with me and see what we're going to do. What I've done here is created a huge spiral using collage and tissue paper. Now this could be a metaphor for connection, like the umbilical cord, our subconscious connecting to the images in my mind. And then I've started to outline in white the shapes in the background, more as graphic elements to define the space. They really won't be seen a bit later on, but they're helping me define the page and create a bit of structure to the piece. And I'm reasonably happy with how that proceeded, but then I have to move on, and then I decided to actually outline in detail all around the spiral collage area with paint to give it a bit more definition and focus. And here you can just see a close-up of the whole thing finished. Then I decided to pour on top of it. So this is a really fun process, and you can see here how I'm pouring paint over the whole image to have this more free-flowing idea of connection and emotions and layering and depth. And this is very intuitive, so it's not like you have a huge amount of control over what's happening. And here I'm giving you some close-up shots of the luscious paint and the layering and the mixing and the beautiful patterns and effects that you get on top of the paper and the canvas as the paints all start to blend together and create their own magic that happens, whether you think you have any control over it or not, is somewhat random, but I'm pretty happy with how it's progressed so far. And here we can just see a progress shot of the whole painting. Now I'm moving in using my Gouache pens to create more line work and detail. So I have a mass of shapes and colour, but I want a bit more structure with line and detail to add a little bit of interest and to pull my focus into various areas of the painting. So even though this is quite quick, this actually took quite a while of working up the lines and the details and where I wanted to put those lines as they move around the painting and refine it further. So this is the finished shot called Immersion. So I really hope that you enjoyed that quick little presentation. Thank you. Want to see more? Check out my website and Facebook links in the description below. Thanks very much for watching.